Hi, this is Christine from Gecko Gully. Somebody's asked me, how do you embed a map onto your website? Now, it's usually a lot easier to show you, so that's what I'm doing. First of all, I've gone to google.com/maps, M-A-P-S, and I happen to be in Melbourne in Australia, and so it has defaulted to giving me a general map of Melbourne. So if you just want a general map of wherever it is you are, then you can simply do that sort of thing. Or you can use the plus button here to zoom in to the part of Melbourne or wherever it is that you are. Okay, so you can zoom in until you get to, let's say for example, if you were in Burwood, you might want to zoom in to Burwood and show a general map of where you are in Burwood. Okay, another thing that you could do is you can say, well, I want to show a map of exactly where I am on the map. So rather than give away somebody's address, I'm going to find the Melbourne Zoo here, and it's going to zoom into where the Melbourne Zoo is, which is here, and I might decide, okay, I want that particular map to show on my my website. So basically what you first need to do is you need to get the map that you want to appear on your screen on here. Once you've got the map that you want showing, the next thing to do is to look for this little cogwheel thing down in the bottom right corner, and you click on this and you'll then find Share and Embed Map. So click on that. And you've either got the share link, which is this one, which is just a URL that you can use. So if you want to tell somebody this is where you need to go, you can just send them that URL. But what we want to do is we actually want to embed the map onto our website. So we click on Embed Map, and here it is here, the map that we want to share. And we can change the size of it. We can say small, medium, large, or custom size. But let's just go for the small one. We click on here, and we need to copy this code in here, which is the iframe stuff. Now, on my PC, I hold down the control button, which is CTRL, and I tap the C button. If I'm on a Mac, I would hold down the command button and tap the C button. Next, I'm going to go to my website. Now, I'm running a WordPress website, but if you're running another kind of website, then you'll need to work out how you're actually going to put HTML code onto a page that you want to put it onto. So, but in this case, I'm using WordPress, which is really easy. So I've set up Add New Post, and I'm going to create a new post, which is how to embed a map on your site. Okay. And then I'm going to say, here is a video to show you how I embedded a map on my site. And later, when I finish this video, I'm going to actually put the code for the video in there. But then I'm next going to put here is the map I embedded. Okay, and then I need to go to text view, and here I can get rid of this. I can hold down Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac, and I can paste the stuff that I copied from in the other page. And I can go back to Visual, and it won't show up yet, but I'm going to save it as a draft because I don't want to publish it just yet. Save it as a draft, and then we'll go Preview Post. So I'm going to right click on that and open it in a new tab. And when it's finished loading, here it is on my website. So there's the map that I just used. Now the good thing about this map is it's completely interactive. So the person can drag around, move it around, they can save it to their Google Map, they can go to Google Maps and view it there if they want to. Whatever it is that they want to do, they can zoom in and zoom out. If they are on a mobile device. Now, I'm not familiar with other phones other than iPhones, but I know that if I was looking at this on my iPhone, I would be able to click on it and get directions using the Google Maps app to get to this particular area, this particular place. Okay, so that's pretty much how you embed a map on your website. I hope that helps. See ya.